guys, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to log out of WeChat. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open WeChat on your mobile device. Tap on the Me icon at the bottom right of your screen. Click on Settings. At the bottom of this page, you can see Log Out. Tap on it. Select Log Out. And that's it. This is how you log out of WeChat. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.